Okay, so some tips. It's really easy to get it out without taking a bunch of other stuff out of the way, but to put it back on, it's really just too hard. So what I did with the valve cover gasket, I put some sealant before I put the gasket back on, just to hold it in place. And I took this fuel line off. Be careful, catch all the fuel. Use this from here. That way it just goes straight on. You don't have to fight with it. And I bent, see how I bent this hose that goes here? Bent it out of the way, otherwise it messes with you when you're going in. And then this hose, which was over this, it goes down here. So I just pulled this up out of here because it's on this right here. Pulled it up out, disconnected it from here. Took the clip off here, never clips, and I slid that out of the way. A lot easier. Went right back on. So that's the right side. Insulation, reverse removal, and we'll go to the left side next.